I think it's quite obvious that the two redheads are not the offspring of the brunette. The brunette has produced a brunette offspring, although it is slightly redheaded, so maybe the father was redheaded. I don't think that's actually what we're looking at here. I think we're looking at the nasty wound on the sternum of this giraffe, and it is currently being excavated by a number of sanguinivores. One should always say the word sanguinivore 3 or 4 times before starting out commentating on something, because it's a good vocal exercise. Sanguinivore, sanguinivore. I don't think the wound is too desperately awful. I think the giraffe will survive, and it's nice to see the